Let's make these bacon-wrapped volcano potatoes. We're going to use a fork to pierce that potato and then hit it with some butter, garlic, and salt. Place them on the smoker around 375, 400 degrees for about 1 hour until about 196 internal. Remove them, prep up our onion. We're going to get that onion into a cast iron skillet, cook them down, add some ground beef, chop that up, brown it, adding some hatch chilies and some cheese. Mix that together, remove that potato in, getting them nice and flat. Going to take out that soft core, stuffing it with that ground beef mixture, and then wrap it in bacon like you see right here. Once it's wrapped in bacon, we're going to go ahead and place it on the smoker at about 350 degrees, just until that bacon renders down. Then we're going to coat it with some barbecue sauce. Once it's coated in barbecue sauce, adding some cheese on top, closing it, letting it melt and do its work. They are absolutely money, and I hope you guys give these things a try.